Have you ever wondered why, despite your best efforts, financial stability seems to elude you in 2024? An intriguing question to ponder, isn't it? You may be working tirelessly, day in and day out, yet the desired financial stability seems like a distant mirage in the desert of economic uncertainty. Let's take a moment to delve into the reasons why this elusive stability seems more like a dream than reality in the current year. First on the list is inflation. The relentless rise in the cost of goods and services nibbles at the value of your hard-earned money, making it challenging to keep up with your living expenses. Next, we have unemployment. The job market in 2024 is as unpredictable as rolling dice. With companies constantly evolving and restructuring, job security has become a luxury few can afford. This uncertainty can make a significant dent in your financial planning. And let's not forget the steadily increasing living costs. From housing to food, education to healthcare, the cost of everything is on an upward trajectory, a trajectory that seems to be moving faster than most people's income. This widening gap between income and expenditure is another significant hurdle on the path to financial stability. Now, you may be thinking, with all these obstacles, is financial stability even a possibility in 2024? Well, let me assure you it is. Despite these challenges, financial stability isn't just a mirage. It's a reality that can be reached with the right strategies and a dash of creativity. The key lies in exploring unique money-making ideas. Ideas that can help cushion the impact of inflation, provide a safety net against unemployment, and bridge the gap between your income and living expenses. From investing in the right places to starting your own venture, there are numerous ways to invite financial stability into your life. So, are you ready to turn this mirage into reality? Are you prepared to navigate the economic desert and reach the oasis of financial stability? If yes, then buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey exploring these unique money-making ideas. However, despite these challenges, there exist unique money-making ideas that can help you achieve financial stability. So let's dive in, shall we? Cryptocurrency, a term that has gained significant momentum in the past decade, offers promising returns. But what exactly is it? In essence, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others operate on technology called blockchain, a decentralized system spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. Now, why is cryptocurrency a lucrative investment opportunity in 2024? Well, it's all about the potential for high returns. Despite the volatility, those who understand the market and invest wisely can reap significant rewards. So how do you get started? First, educate yourself about the different types of cryptocurrencies. Then choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell your chosen digital coins. And remember, just like any other investment, it's important to diversify your portfolio. With careful planning and strategic investments, cryptocurrency can be a game changer in your financial journey. The digital revolution has made starting an e-commerce business easier than ever. In this day and age, you're just a few clicks away from becoming an entrepreneur. It's a realm that offers a multitude of opportunities, from selling handmade crafts to offering digital services. The key to success in e-commerce is finding the right product or service. This could be something unique, something you're passionate about, or even something that fills a gap in the market. Once you've identified your golden goose, you're halfway there. Setting up an online store has been simplified thanks to numerous platforms that provide ready-made templates and easy-to-use interfaces. You don't have to be a tech wizard to launch a successful online store. Marketing your product or service is equally crucial. Harness the power of social media, email marketing, and SEO to reach your target audience and convert them into loyal customers. With the right product and marketing strategy, an e-commerce business can be an excellent source of passive income. The gig economy is booming, and freelancing provides a flexible option to earn a substantial income. As we navigate through the 24th year of the 21st century, this statement rings even truer. Freelancing has emerged as a viable source of income and not just a side hustle. It's the perfect blend of flexibility, control, and financial stability. You might be wondering, what's the secret sauce? Well, it all starts with identifying your marketable skills. Are you a whiz at graphic design? Maybe you have a knack for writing engaging content, or perhaps you're a coding genius. The beauty of freelancing is that there's a market for almost every skill. The key is to harness your talents and turn them into a profitable venture. Once you've identified your strengths, the next step is to find and secure freelance gigs. There are numerous online platforms where businesses are looking for skilled freelancers. Be proactive and put yourself out there. Create a compelling profile, showcase your skills, and don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients. Keep in mind, freelancing isn't just about making money. It's about the freedom to choose your projects, set your hours, and determine your rates. It's about being your own boss, and that's an empowering feeling. So, there you have it. Freelancing is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice. Freelancing not only provides financial stability, but also the freedom to work on your own terms. Embrace it, and you might just find yourself living a life you never thought possible. So, what's the secret to achieving financial stability in 2024, you may ask? Well, it's been a journey, hasn't it? We've traveled through the mirage of opportunities, dissected the realm of cryptocurrency, explored the bustling world of e-commerce, and delved into the empowering domain of freelancing. Now, as we wrap things up, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Each of these money-making ideas carries its own set of unique opportunities and challenges, but they all share a common thread. They offer you the chance to diversify your income and adapt to an ever-changing economic landscape. In this age of rapid digitalization, it's crucial to keep an open mind and remain flexible. The world is shifting beneath our feet, and so are the ways in which we make money. The key is not to put all your eggs in one basket, but to spread them out, investing time and resources in various avenues. Remember, it's not about chasing the next big thing, it's about finding what works for you, honing your skills and capitalizing on your strengths. It's about taking calculated risks, showing resilience in the face of setbacks, and never losing sight of your financial goals. Remember, the path to financial stability isn't a straight line, but with determination and the right strategies, it's entirely within your reach.